DR riders. Here's for the Leo Vince silent muffler. No, it's not a silent muffler. It's no maintenance. Anyway, you can see there's these two inserts. Those are for the loud. You can see whenever you use the spark arrestor, you don't have that little stubby on the end. So that's the difference between the two baffles, your street legal one and the off-road only version. Okay, so I'm going to fire this thing up and let you guys hear what it sounds like without the baffle, of course. So hold on to your shorts. Without the baffle. Yeah, something like that. And now I'll go to this stock version. There you go. That's more acceptable. Okay.